This segment is sponsored by Union Home Mortgage. Whether you're buying your first home or maybe your fifth, Union Home Mortgage can walk you step by step through the process. Jamie Stocks is a loan officer and brand team lead with Union Home Mortgage, and she joins us now to talk about navigating that tricky mortgage process with ease. Hi, Jamie. Good to see you.
Hi, thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, glad to. Tell me about Union Home Mortgage.
There have been around since the late 70s, and our home office is in Ohio, but I work at the Grand Rapids Cascade office, and we've been there for about 8 years, and right by the highway, very easy access.
155 branches all across the country, 44 different states, I know. So this is a big operation.
Yes.
What makes UHM so great?
Of course, the people, the culture and the people. I love personally how I can just go right to underwriting with questions. We can get the hard ones done. We service our loans, so we aren't selling people off. And I love the experience that my customers get. It's not just a transaction, it's an experience.
And what are some of the services that you offer?
Oh, well, we assist all, pre-approvals. If you're not sure that you can buy and you just want an opinion, if you're ready, we start there. Quick approvals, same day approvals, excellent communication, fast responses, all loan types you're looking for, the governments, the VAs, the FHAs, everything, whether it's your first time or your third time, we all mortgages like that.
It's a crazy housing market. And I know so many people trying to kind of get in on it, take advantage of the opportunities that exist. I imagine that you walk people through all of the various options so they can find the plan that's right for them.
Yes, absolutely. And that's really good question, a really good thought, because right now our market is so competitive that you have to have someone on your team. We don't just tell people, hey, here's your buying amount and good luck.
Yeah.
No, we are with them the whole way. We do rah-rah calls to the listing agents when they write offers. So anything extra we can do to help them get that house they want, that's what we do for them.
That's so cool. What made you, well, I imagine I know why you wanted to start working for Union Home Mortgage, because of this kind of culture, these kinds of practices. Am I right?
Yes. And also before my union life, I was a broker or a correspondent, and Union Home Mortgage is a direct lender. So we deal directly with agencies. We don't have we're not a middleman, if you will. So we have less guidelines to follow, faster processes. I love it. I will retire at Union Home Mortgage.
That's quite an endorsement when you hear something like that. Folks may want to sit down and talk to somebody, find out if they're ready, as you said, to jump in and perhaps buy their first home. And so how do they get a hold of you? And you mentioned the Grand Rapids branch. There's more than just Grand Rapids, right?
Yes, we have in Western Michigan, we have several little satellites. We have one in Holland, Grandville, Greenville. So yes, we have lots of little satellites there.
Yeah. Okay. Well, once again, folks, if you want to sit down and talk to somebody or learn more about Union Home Mortgage, you may do so on their website. It is uhm.com, or you can call the number you see there on your screen. It is 616-466-7977, 616-466-7977. Jamie, thanks for spending a few minutes with us. Glad to have you.
Oh, thank you so much for having me.